Hi all. Today we are going to see about LLM GPU requirement calculator. Basically, I have developed a website where you can give the model parameters or the model name as an input and able to calculate the model storage required memory and the model inference memory and the model training memory. And also you can calculate the cost per million tokens by giving the input number of tokens generated per second from the model and also the cost for GPU per hour costed for you. Basically, by giving all these inputs, you could able to calculate what is the input of this website or application or what is the output. If we see here, right? Basically, the input is the model's parameters, that is the base input, and what is the precision you need to run. And also these both are required, and GPU hardwares. What GPU hardwares already do you have? Is that enough for you to run the model? So these are the primary inputs required for model storage, for calculating model storage, model inference storage, and also the training GPU memory required for fine tuning the model. These three will be obtained from these three inputs. The token generated per second from the model, and also the cost per hour for the GPU, right? By using these both, we can calculate the cost for million tokens generated, so that it will be easy for you to compare with any other providers. So this is the base application which I have built. Let's see the application. This is the website which I was mentioning, calgpu.c+.com. Basically, this is as I said, LLM GPU memory calculator. Basically, if you give the model parameter as input or the model name as an input from the Hugging Face, it would able to calculate how much GPUs it needs, and also if you are inferencing the LLM, then it could able to calculate the cost for million tokens. Basically, if you want to try it out, just click on try calculator, and if you give the model parameters, right, if it is a 10 billion parameter model, then it would say like the model storage itself need around 18.63 GB of storage is needed. If you want to inference the model, then you need around 24.21 GB of memory. This is at FP32 precision. If you want what is precision, how it is calculated, everything, please let me know in the comments. I will put a separate video on that. And if you want to train the model, if you want to fine tune the model, how much GPU need, how much GPU memory do you need is 46 GB of GPU you need. And here I have given a hardware selection. Here you can see the hardware types. If you click on NVIDIA, then it will ask to select what NVIDIA hardware do you have. If you just click like I have around 4080, if you just click, then it will say here for GPU required for inference, you need two of this RTX 4080. You can add up or subtract whatever you like, you can do here. And for training also, you can give it will say how many GPUs are required over here. So you can add some other hardware also, but if you have some other hardware in the same company, NVIDIA itself, RTX 5090 you have, it just adds up over here, so that it will say how many is required over here overall, and how many GPUs for training also it says in total. So here if we can see around 48 GB of memory it is covered over here alone. So it says only two are required. So we have already satisfied that. If we subtract both of this, right, and just click like if you have H100, so that says only one hardware is required, so all memories can be accommodated with H100 141 GB of memory also, memory itself. So if we give precision at a lower precision, right, we can see that the inference storage or inference memory, training memory, everything is required so less. It is up to int 1, you can just give, or int 4. It is not only up giving the parameters as a number, you can also search the model over here. Like any model in the Hugging Face, which comes under the LLM category, can be searched over here. I have just fine-tuned a small model. Let's see, BioGPT. It automatically says I mean, it's less than 2 billion parameters. So it says what is the inference memory, the training memory required. I'm giving as FP32 precision. So the inference memory for FP32 is I need around 8 GB of GPU for running this model in my local. What is this cost per million tokens? when it comes to cost per million tokens, right? If your model is able to produce 150 tokens per second, for finding this, you need to load the model in the inference engine like VLLM or Hugging Face, any of those things. You need to load and you need to calculate how many tokens are produced per second and how much is your GPU cost per hour. If I take around like what to say 4090 in a third party service, and it will be costing per hour around let's for example if we give $2, so it will give the output like cost per million tokens is for us is $3.7 is the cost per million tokens would actually cost us. So if we compare it with others, other model, what model to choose and everything, we can infer from here itself. So end of the day, how much is the model storage needed and how much is the inference memory required for the model to run, and if you are training the model, what is the total memory needed for training your model, and what is the cost per million token is, can also be calculated. Here are some example and documentation I have given in the website. You can refer this also. Basically, what I explained over here, I have given us a documentation to the website. The link to this website is calgpu.c+.com. I will share. I will put it in the description also. You could check it over here. Sure, I think we need so much improvements in this website, and so much features also required in this website. Let me know what all features do you need in the comment section so that this website would be updated also. And thank you. This is for this video. Uh, Let me know something else. Thank you. 1 minute. And I also wanted to mention you about I'm just plan to create a content related and around AI. Whatever comes in AI new or whatever I am experimenting in AI, I just plan to record and post as a video. If you want to continuously watch on this or need to get some updates on AI, please subscribe my channel. Or if you have any content for you could suggest me also in comments so that I could make it as in next videos. Uh, that's it. If you first like and see the video, then slowly, if you want to want updates regularly, then you can plan for subscription or a subscribe button. Thank you so much.